let's just say how bad of a race, or weekend or day, Hunter Yoder had in Glendale. This is from his Instagram post, you can read it coming up here. In race 1, he broke his clutch, so that race is kind of screwed. Race 2, apparently his bars fell down to his tank, so that race is screwed. And in race 3, you have that right there, where he got stuck in the back of somebody else's bike. And then there was the end of the race, or after the race, whatever you want to consider, where his bike had to be torn down by the AMA, which is something that doesn't really happen very often, especially not to a privateer guy, because you think, do they really have the money? One, do they have the money to spend on illegal parts? And two, if they have illegal parts and they're running way faster than they ever have and they get caught with it, you've lost everything. So it's incredible that a privateer guy would ever get his bike torn down. It's insane. The big factory teams, whatever, that's not a big deal because they tear him down after a race anyway, so kind of sucks for him. And then there was also the rumor going around that I think it was Cole Thompson from Team Solitaire was the one that protested his bike and wanted it, basically led to the teardown. And there's the comment from Team Solitaire right there if you want to read it. Pause and read. But, they're basically just saying, why would we ever do this to another privateer they're a smaller team themselves. It's not like they're a big factory team. And they don't want to see other people, lose their rides and lose their races and their possible, monetary earnings for the weekend. But Constable, you can tell me. Do you think it was just something stupid the AMA did? Again, random chance, maybe they picked his bike out and they did it? Or did somebody actually protest and maybe it wasn't Cole Thompson, whatever? Constable, you tell me. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, build a fun to this platform on YouTube, because playing the algorithm game, it really does help me. Appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.